Welcome to Chloe's cooking show, and I'm greasy. Yesterday I went to Target. I bought a few things that I didn't need and forgot the things I needed. Guys, welcome. We're making these pineapple fried rice. Am I zoomed in? Because it's looking zoomish. Okay, that is zoomed in. So, these are our pineapple bowls that we're making. My husband's over here working hard. Fried rice. Oh, it looks like a heart in the middle of the rice. Okay, so there's rice from Trader Joe's. That's fried rice. We're gonna put the rice in this pineapple. And we have salmon that we're gonna put on top of it. So when this whole thing is done, when this is all said and done, I'm gonna be so excited because it's gonna be delicious pineapple bowls, even though I cooked everything else, just didn't cut the pineapple up. So I just put my hair back in ponytail because it was doing too much. But I think my husband's talking about me and I don't like it. So we're gonna see why. What'd I do? No. Do you want me to scoop it up myself? Okay, let me do this, guys. Let me show. All right, so I don't know what I'm doing exactly, but welcome to Chloe's cooking show, and I'm greasy. Okay, so or Summer's cooking show, I should say. I don't trust myself. Like this. The core is the hardest part. Oh, cut through it. Right? And then you go like this. And then I'm thinking like cut chunks of the pineapple like this. Right? Oof. Like that, and then cut it like this.
Nope, stay right here.
So squares. And then scoop it out. I mean, this is the plan. Does it work? I don't know, yo.
Mom.
Yes, baby.
Look.
Wow, what do you have in that chocolate?
Juice. Pineapple juice.
Pineapple, okay, thank God. Thank God. Okay, yeah, so that side came out kind of good. It's the core is the hardest part. The core is so hard to take out.
I hate the core.
I love the core. The core of the pineapple is so good.
It's so hard.
Maybe I could do it like that when I'm... So we'll try another one. So these chunks are supposed to go with on top of your stuff in your rice. Do you get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You might have to come back after these messages. We'll be right back. After these messages. Alright guys, so this is the final result of this salmon rice bowl. There's rice at the bottom. We have like chimichurri and vegetable fried rice. I toasted my pineapple. I probably should have cooked my salmon a little longer, but it doesn't look bad. How is it, babe? Okay, so we got good reviews, guys. I'll leave the recipe down below. It wasn't hard to make. It's just weird to make. Alright, y'all. We're about to wrap up this vlog, but I just want to tell y'all, go to Trader Joe's and get this. Go to Trader Joe's, get this pumpkin ice cream. If you like pumpkin pie, which I love, or even like, yeah, pumpkin pie. It tastes literally like cold pumpkin pie. It's so good. So good. Oh my God. Love it. What, Trader Joe's? I love Trader Joe's. Good night, Jonathan. We'll see you in the morning.
Look, stuck in mud and somehow got away.
We gotta wrap this vlog up, y'all. I'm doing Vlogtober. How? Why? But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So I told you guys I'm gonna do Vlogtober. I got a new stand for my camera, so I can actually vlog in the car again. But it's not like I don't know what I need to do to make it a little bit tighter. It's like I never read directions and I just kind of figure it out. But yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Like, hence the froggy voice. I don't know. I feel like my windshield wipers are so loud. I don't know why I'm so tired. I feel like I just don't get enough sleep, I guess. I don't know. Like, I'm not resting well or something. I don't know. Or I'm resting well, but I just need more rest. And I'm basically, I'm just tired, y'all. I'm just tired. So today I have to go, actually I have to meet a meeting tonight at 7, which is so late. So 7 to 8 o'clock. And then I have, or I think it's 7 to 8:30, but hopefully we'll be finished earlier. And then after my meeting, I have a, after my meeting, I have a, oh, I have to go get, before my meeting, I have to go get my Uggs. So I just got these new platform Uggs. I'll put a picture of them on the screen. So I gotta go get those because I have an entire look that I want to do. And I have to get my little fluffy thing for my camera. So when I'm in the car and I'm talking to you guys, I can, like, the camera's okay. Because normally what I'm actually using, like, on a daily basis is this puff. So I use this now. It's like the road mic. And then my lights, which I can't put on here because of the setup. I have to put this on too. So yeah, these two things are making my quality, I feel like, pretty good right now. The light is a little bit weird though, because I feel like the light makes me look a little bit washed out. So I don't know. The lighting is a little off. But yeah, I'm on my way to work and I'm so tired. Oh my god. I slept for like an extra, I slept for like an extra hour and a half. Just because I'm not tired. I'm supposed to be up at 5. I got up at 6:30. I'm just tired. I'm really tired. On Monday we have off for Indigenous Peoples Day, so thank God for that. And if we have off, then I can rest a little bit. So this weekend, I'm looking forward to just resting. Like, resting because I'm tired. So yeah, just pray I get through this week because I need to get through this week and finish this week and just be done with it. Yeah, or I need to take off a day, but I really can't. Today is Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, back to school night Thursday. It's like mad stuff going on. And yeah, so I'm excited about my new Uggs. I have to pick them up between today and tomorrow I can actually pick them up tomorrow too because I don't have any meetings. So depending on how I feel, excuse me, depending on how I feel today, when I get home, I'll do that. Maybe tomorrow I'll do my pedicure because my feet, they need to get done. Like, this is not it. It's time, hon. It's time. So I think I'm going to probably do my feet tomorrow. And then Thursday I have back to school night. And then probably do my nails this weekend. So if I take off my nails on Thursday, then like do what I did last time, I'll be able to put them on Friday and then redo them. I don't know what I'm going to do though. Because I want to do like Halloween nails, but I think it's too early to do Halloween nails. So I want to wait. I think I'm going to do some type of French something. Maybe with like fallish colors. Or matte nails, but with French. I really think I like French, like, a lot. So I will talk to you guys later. Yeah, I'll bring you guys with me later on when I come to pick up my Uggs. Bye. What's up, YouTube? So I definitely don't know what happened to me, but I feel so sick. I think I have a sinus infection, but I don't know how I got a sinus infection. I was fine and then I wasn't fine, so there's that. But I'm on my way to work and I am sitting in traffic. Not really too much traffic. Today was okay because I didn't come into work until almost 12 because I just don't feel well. And it started yesterday, so I don't know. I randomly get sinus infections. I'm fine and I'm not fine. Like, I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and say hi to you guys. And if you can hear my throat a little bit, I'm drinking vitamin C juice. I got to drink lots of water. And I have Zyrtec, but I'm scared to take it because I don't want to be sleepy. And I have a late night tonight, so I'll be here till like 7:30, which is whatever. So, just want to come on and say hi, y'all. These glasses are just like everything. And then the glasses with the hair with these waves is perfect. I wore it in my last vlog that you're probably going to see that's going to be up. But this is probably going to be for my Sunday vlog for this week. Yesterday I went to Target. I bought a few things that I didn't need and forgot the things I needed. Like, girl, get yourself together. I bought a new pair of pajamas, and I think they just threw me off. So, yeah, and I bought some new coffee creamers, like a maple oat coffee creamer. I can show it to you guys when I get home. But, yeah, I'm just sitting in the car chilling. My outfit today, you guys see that? I feel so cute. So, I had a skirt on like this last week, during back to school night, but it was yellow and black. And this one is black and red. It just looks really, really nice. And I'm going to probably wear it with some heels. And, well, I know I'm going to wear it with heels. Right now I have on, like, flats, but I'm going to definitely wear it with some heels. So, I need to do my feet so bad. And one of my nails came off yesterday. Well, actually, it didn't come off. It was lifting. And I just took it off because I was tired of it. But, yeah. Alright, guys. So, I will talk to you later. I don't know if I'll talk to you later on today or later on tomorrow. Because, yeah, I'm not sure. But I will see you later. Bye. What's going on, girl? What is happening with mine? Oh. It's a little bit crooked. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today is Saturday. I'm still feeling not too good, if you can hear it in my voice. I don't know what happened to me. I just kind of got like sick out of nowhere. Went to a game this morning, football game, but I kind of look cute. So this is what I wore. These socks are from Target. And I just have on like this sweatshirt, I have a receipt in there, and then these leggings from Amazon. I link all down below. I think this is from Shein, this sweatshirt. It's old. But yeah, went to a game this morning. Not really feeling too good. I've been taking like Zyrtec and Flonase and all the things. Headband is also from Lululemon, which is from Amazon. Oh, I took my nails off. So I'll be doing these today. They're looking rough. So I'll be doing them today. And I got this thing from Amazon. Let me show you. It helps with taking your nails off. So one hand, of course, I never did it right because I was like rushing. But I gotta clean this off. This thing right here is so cool because it heats up. So when you're taking your nails off, it actually, you press this, it like basically heats up, then warms, and you put your hands in it for like 10 minutes and it comes off. And for my nails, I'm wearing my almond shape ones today. So this is what I'm wearing. I already pretty much did it today. Just gotta organize it. And I'm doing like a fall nail color, so I'll show you guys. Hopefully I do that today. I gotta do the pedicure too, but I just don't know when. I don't feel too well, so I'm trying to like take everything easy. Maybe I'll put my nails on today and then decorate them tomorrow, but yeah, so we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen today.
I didn't say you could not go to your iPad.
So we'll see. But today, I'll talk to you guys later.